Hello, in this video, I will show you how to add the basic wall system in your store. Click on the new product icon on the left-hand side to reveal the products menu. Click on the wall system tab and select the basic system. There are two subcategories, body and accessories and complementary products. Click on the body to see all the elements of the basic system. Click on the single slotted aluminum profile to start drawing. As you see, the distances are shown from the sidewalls to the upright as you move it on the wall. Click to place the upright at the desired distance. Press Escape to exit the command. Click on the double-sided aluminum upright to continue drawing. We are using the double-slotted upright in the middle section of the wall so that the fixtures can be hanged at the same level. There are two standard width measurements, 60 cm and 90 cm. Add as many uprights as needed at either size. The last upright should be single-sided. Press Escape to exit the command. Click on single-sided upright and place it on the wall. Once all the uprights are put, you may need to move all the uprights to adjust distances. Press Ctrl and click on one of the uprights to select all. Click on the move icon to move the uprights. You may view the plan view for a better comparison. Click on the plan icon to view the uprights shown in yellow. Click on the move icon to position the uprights at the desired locations. Click on 3D. You may add side cover panels to the wall. Once clicked, the software will position side panels on either side automatically. Press Escape to exit the command. You may now add panels. There are 6 different panels available. Pick one and click to add at the desired location. The software will automatically adjust the width of the panel according to the distances between the uprights. Press Escape to exit the command. The wall unit can be adjusted to be fixed at a height from the floor. Press Ctrl and click on the unit to select all. Enter a value to the height section to distance the unit from the floor. Press Escape to exit command. You may add base platforms. To do so, simply click on the item on the menu, and click to place in location. Adjust the length and move it back to the right position. You may also add a top frame to the unit. There are 2 alternatives available. Pick one and click on the unit. The length of the frame will be adjusted automatically. To add accessories, click on Accessories and Complementary Products tab. Go to the Shelves and Apparatus tab. Select a shelf to add. There are 2 alternative shelf options, 30 mm thick shelf and 18 mm thick shelf. Click on the shelf desired, move it onto the unit. The software will show you the height of the shelf. Click to add the shelf at the desired height. Press Escape to exit command. Click on the shelf again to enable the setting menu. Activate the static height. This will allow you to add items at the set height. Click on the duplicate icon and add more shelves at the same height. Press Escape to exit the command and deactivate the static height. Click on the hanger and add one to the unit. Press Escape to exit the command. Click on the hanger to select and activate the static height. Click on copy icon and add more hangers at the same height. To add face-out bars, click on the bar on the menu. Deactivate the static height and add a desired height. Click on Face Out and add as many as desired. We have added a basic system wall unit in the store. You may create different wall units with different designs and looks. You can include all these different accessories as well. See you in the next tutorial video.